guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Delta Force crashing at startup error. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Delta Force here and it's frequently crashing, there are a few things that you can do here. So first things first is you want to make sure that everything is up to date. So first you want to go to the bottom left of your screen. You just need to type in update. Choose check for updates here for Windows, and you want to go and click on check for updates, and basically wait for it to check for updates. Now once updates are ready, you go and click on install updates, and from then on wait for it to complete and restart your PC. Now typically, in this case, computers, like especially Windows, as well as GPUs, actually release updates for games that might have some problem. In this case, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to check your GPU. So in my case, I'm using NVIDIA. So if you're using AMD, go and open up your driver for that one. And you want to go to the left side here, go to drivers, and you want to go and click on download. Now, this is especially helpful, especially for new games. So they will release some updates for games. Just click on download here to install your update or the update for your driver, and wait for it to complete. And once it is actually completed, you could go ahead and restart your PC and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, then most likely the problem itself might be from the game. So I would suggest you to go ahead and make sure to check some forums out there if they're having some or the same issue. So most likely the game might be bugged depending on your PC. But then again, you just need to wait for some patches that might be released. And again, you want to go ahead and see if that solves your issue. Now, another thing that you might want to take in consideration here is if you meet the minimum or the recommended system requirements. Now, if you don't meet any of the requirements here, even the minimum, this might actually affect the performance of the game, which results it on crashing. Because if the game isn't able to process or your computer is not able to process the game properly, it will automatically close the game to try and save itself. But yeah, so in this case, those are the things that you could try doing here to fix this problem. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.